Are you ready to draw a little cute pig together? Now let's draw with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Pencil Draw. Get your pencils and papers ready, and let's start. First, draw two big ovals for the eyes. The eye near us is bigger, and the eye far from us is smaller. Inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color the pupils black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and cute. Now let's draw his piggy nose. Under the eyes, draw a long curved line. Now draw two small oval shapes on the nose. These are the nostrils. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Under the nose, draw a soft curved line. This makes a happy smiling mouse. Now draw the head and ear. Draw a short curved line above the eyes for the top of the head. Now draw two floppy ears, one on each side. Draw the cheeks. Add two soft curved lines on both sides of the face to make the cheeks look puffy and cute. Let's draw eyebrows. Draw the body, arms, and legs. Now draw the body starting from the right side. I'll start with his right foot. Make the body round and cute. Then draw his two arms. Then continue drawing his tummy, and finally draw the left leg. Draw the tail on the back side. The tail has a little curl. Let's add a few spots to his back. Now draw two small oval shapes on the cheeks. These will be the cute blush cheeks. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what animal you want to draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.